Welcome to Oracle Form demonstration. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to configure your Oracle Form to your Oracle database on Windows 7 or Windows Vista. You have a pre-installed Oracle database in an Oracle Form. So let's have fun. To test first, okay? Let's run our Oracle Forms and see if we will be able to connect to the database. So I run my Oracle Form. It's taking some time. Okay, my Oracle Form is open, and then I click File and then Connect. I specify username HR with my password and then the database that I want to connect to. I will get an error. Why? Because I have not configured my listener. So I get an error saying what? Could not resolve the connect identifier. This error is because we have not configured our listener. So in this demonstration, that's what I'm going to teach you, how to do that. So I click OK and cancel. We can now close this form. So how do we do that? You go to Start, you go to All Programs and look for Oracle Dev Suite Home. I go to Configuration and Migration Tools and click Net Manager. With the Net Manager open, I click Local and select Listeners. I click Create and create my listener. I maintain the default name Listener and click OK. It asks for a listening location, so I add an address. Okay, and then I add my database service. Now let me explain some terms over here. The protocol, this is the network protocol that the database is using, and this is the host name. Now this port number 1521 is the default listening port for your Oracle database. Okay, so I now have to add a database service to this listener. So I click Add Database, and then my global database name is ORCL, and then I have to add an Oracle Home Directory. This Oracle Home Directory is the path in which you have installed Oracle products, this, and then DB1. I select this and copy. I can now close and then paste in my Oracle Home Directory. Now that I have a listener, I need to give a service name. The purpose of the service name is that a listener can listen to multiple databases. But how does it identify who database it listens to? It uses the service name to identify database that it listens to. So we need to assign a service name to this database. So I highlight service name and click the create button. I name my service name ORCL and click next. I choose my protocol, which is TCP, and then I choose my host name. Now this host name is Codefire PC. How do you know the host name of your PC? If you're a novice, you go to Run, type CMD, and then type host name. So you get the host name, okay, of your PC, of the system. So I can now exit, and this is my host name. I click next, and then the service name is CL, and then I click next. And now I have to test my connection and see if everything is successful. So I change login HR with my password and click test. So the connection was successful. So I can now close, finish, file, and then save my network connection. Let me refresh. Now I have finished configuring my listener. So we can now launch our Oracle Forms again and try connecting to the database. Okay, now that our form is open, we go to File, we go to Connect, we type the username, we type the password, and then we type the database that we want to connect to, and I click enter or connect. So now I'm connected. I don't get any error. I'm now connected to the database. I can go to data blocks, go to next, go to browse, and then I'm connected to that database. Okay. Thank you for watching this demonstration.